Hey guys, today we're going to discuss something about self-realization. How many of you believe and have confidence and having a clarity towards yourself? Do you think your mind conditioning or your work routine, everything is under your control? Whatever you are doing in a regular life, it is all happening because you thought about it, you wanted to do it exactly. There are a lot of people which I have seen in my life. They say that they wanted to reduce weight and they know what exactly increasing their fat system, and they know these are the food system, these are the food items they are not supposed to have it because that will increase their weight. But they never realize to stop it or control it. They keep eating or continuing the same food routine which they are having, which means they have not realized about themselves and they don't want to work towards it as well. Number two, people get a lot of angry. They even say that I'm a short-tempered person. I get angry for even some of the small things in my life. But I think they know the strategies to come out of it. They know what exactly will help them to come out of that anger. But they never worked out. They never realized or they will never start making an attempt to come out of that anger. Number three, people say that I am not happy, I'm not content, I'm not satisfied with the work that I'm doing over a period of time. But they still continue the same work over 12 years and 14 years, and they never get retired even after some 30 years. They always say that they are not happy, but they continue to do the same work because they have not realized that they need to come out of this job or come out of this particular work and start redefining themselves in order to find something new and get new business or new job as well. And people say that only if I sleep for 8 hours and 12 hours in a day, I'll be more productive for the next day. And I will not get smile or happy or content about my routine if I don't get proper sleep in the previous day night. But the problem is you keep telling that, but they never spend on right time to sleep for 8 hours to 10 hours. They keep telling 8 hours sleep is mandatory, but they never sleep for 8 hours, which means they don't have control over themselves. They never realize that maybe if I sleep properly, my productivity will be increasing and I will have more better results for the day. I suggest for anyone, right? If at all you think that you have a lot of plans, goals, focus, vision, or you just want to be content and happy, start work towards you. I think self-assessment, self-evaluation is very much important. What I would suggest people is always work towards you. Spend time for yourself. Think and write metrics that actually makes you happy, makes you content, makes you feel progress. That you are happy, just you are sleeping for 10 hours, 8 hours regularly, just do it. But only thing is you have to have a metrics, do's and don'ts about yourself, what will affect me, what will not affect me, which relationship is giving me happiness, which relationship is not giving me happiness, to whom I should be in touch regularly, to whom I should not talk at all. There are people that you need to ignore. You need to do that metrics for yourself. None of them will come and say, be it your relative or peers or anyone for that matter, none of them will come and say that you need to work and stop doing all this and get into this regular activity. Nobody will say. You need to redefine, rediscover, and reinvent yourself every single time in order to be more happy, nothing else. And if at all you want it to be more focused and productive, that will definitely happen. I suggest people spend time for yourself. There is nothing in this world is bigger than you. You need to love yourself a lot. You need to think about your progress and keep redefining, rework, understand about yourself, and start continuing it as a practice. Definitely, the more you work for yourself, your surroundings will be happy, your peers will be very content, and people will see a lot of positivity in you because you know about yourself very well and you will make others also to realize about themselves. Start realizing about yourself, start working for you, and start spending time for you. Definitely, you will have a better improvement. Think about it and work on it. Thanks and cheers.